Here's a 2018 Nissan Altima. Behind the wheel of this spectacular Altima is where innovation pays off. It's where fun meets frugal thanks to the powerful acceleration and efficient fuel economy of the Xtronic CVT. The stunning exterior design will also get your heart pumping. Inside the comfortable cabin, you'll appreciate the conveniences of split folding down rear seat backs, Bluetooth and steering wheel audio controls. You'll
choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.